请
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here's a track by Golden Melody finalist Xu Shihui, who has been deeply involved in Hualien's Hakka music scene for years. And at the end of last year, she put out her fourth album, Bento Box. The album memorializes her mother's efforts and explores women's self-growth. Now, one of the songs on the album, this one called Sincere You, or Yin Zhen Ge Ng, symbolizes how the change of this generation have led women to take on many roles in the workplace and in the family, shouldering a lot of stress and responsibility. This sincerity and bravery brings more creativity and harmonious beauty to society. Let's take a listen.
無人別下嘅水溢出獨我聽，四種紛紛渺渺實夢的片，作當標定少男嘅鳥家邊，佢一雙皮乾就層層困碎。講到幾多幾，天公後事頭裝扮作強力，大氣精神好好用心公益。嘿喲，也就係天下嘅你，天頭接接愛把到嘅兩樣情。嘿喲，笑容大廈無嘢天氣歡喜。相信特三人嘅心情變變，心突發又有更多幾多幾，天公後事頭裝扮作強力，大氣精神好好用心公益。
这首歌叫做《認真嘅你》，也就是认真的你，是金曲奖入围歌手许世慧所带来的歌曲，以感念母亲的付出，并探索女性自我成长来推出第4张专辑。专辑里面呢，融合了很多美式的乡村乐，创造出专属的客家乡村流行乐。而这首歌呢，象征着随着时代的变迁，女性在职场与家庭中展现多重角色，肩负更多压力与责任。而这份认真与勇敢，为社会带来更多创造力与和谐美。What a fun and meaningful song by Xu Shihui. Thank you so much for listening. My name is Joseph Lin, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.